What's going on, people of the world? My name is Taylor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make food easily without a kitchen, or with the kitchen but not with a crazy nice kitchen. What do I need to cook quality meals without a kitchen? A hot plate, something like this, some spices here. We'll get to that in a little bit. What else do you need, might you ask? Instapot. Mine's broken. Third thing you need is food. Flash of oil. Roll this guy around a little bit. 16 ounces of chicken breast. After you chop the chicken up, I'm just going to throw a little bit of my boy G sugar-free teriyaki on there. Put it on there. Chop the broccoli. Gonna mash this guy up a little bit. Pop them into the microwave for 90 seconds. Sweet potatoes to the Instapot. I like to throw some cinnamon on there, let it cook with that, and then we'll add honey afterwards. Close this guy up. Pressure cook. Vent closed. Like I said, my Instapot is broken, so I just check it at 10 minutes, see how it's doing. It'll probably take a little longer. These guys get poked. Throw it in the microwave. You got the steak sliced up, just rocking and rolling. Cut them up, it just helps them cook better. A $30 hot plate, not a $500 green egg. These guys are done. Take them out. So that's pretty much it, guys. We got 4 quality, healthy meals. Pretty cheap. You could have 6 or 8, 10. Just double, triple, quadruple the ingredients. Put a little honey on the sweet potatoes. So